Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Tired of flipping and scorching your omelets? An oven-baked omelet is truly a game changer for breakfast or brunch. It's incredibly simple, allowing you to prep other things while it cooks itself to fluffy perfection. You'll love how easy it is to get consistent results every time without any of the usual stovetop stress. It's a wonderful way to enjoy a delicious, warm breakfast. For a single serving, start with about 3 large eggs. Add a little splash of milk or cream, maybe a tablespoon, for an extra creamy texture. Season generously with salt and fresh black pepper. Then, gently whisk it all together until the yolks and whites are just combined, ensuring you don't overbeat, which helps keep it light and fluffy. Lightly grease a small, oven-safe dish or a 6-inch cast iron pan. Pour your egg mixture directly into it. Pop it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It typically bakes for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the edges are nicely set, the center is puffed, and it's beautifully golden. You'll see it transform right before your eyes. The beauty of an oven omelet is how easily you can customize it. Before baking, feel free to add cooked vegetables like sautéed spinach or mushrooms, or even some finely diced ham. Cheeses, such as cheddar or feta, melt beautifully right into the eggs. After it comes out of the oven, a sprinkle of fresh chives or parsley adds a lovely touch, making it perfectly yours. Once your fluffy omelet is ready, carefully slide it out onto a plate, or you can serve it directly from the individual baking dish. A little extra fresh black pepper, a dollop of your favorite salsa, or a sprig of parsley makes a great garnish. It's truly a satisfying and elegant breakfast that requires minimal effort, perfect for any morning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.